Mike Hughes here. I'm at the Scuba and H2O show in Tacoma at the convention center. And one of the things you get to do at the convention center is meet with authors. I have Peter Hunt here. Hello, Peter.
Hi.
And what I wanted to show him for is because he has two books. One you remember I talked about was setting the hook off that small ship. That small boat called the Andrea Doria.
That's right, you got that one.
And then he had the Lost Intruder, which was finding the wreck of the Lost Intruder. Hello.
Navy A6 Intruder.
A6?
A6 Intruder, and it's about Parkinson's disease as well.
Okay, and so it's the A6 Intruder and the Parkinson's as well disease. And then he also has another book that he did back a while ago called Angel Attack, which is... Oh yeah, I did that wrong. Angels. It looks alike when you're reading it. Angles of Attack, which is also an A6 Intruder pilot war book.
It's about flying A6s during Operation Desert Storm in 91.
So here he is in Desert Storm flying the plane. And now he's trying to find it after he parked it in the wrong spot underwater.
Well, my buddies did.
His buddies did.
But I still found it for me.
Okay, and then he has the boat book. So he's got three different books, but two of them on diving, which is pretty good, I think.
Yeah, well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
I guess so. Thanks very much, Peter.
You're welcome, Mike.